Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your phone and account. Make sure it supports eSIM and is unlocked, because carriers refuse locked devices. Once done, compare plans, days, gigabytes, and speed, and choose one that matches your itinerary. Next, purchase the eSIM using your passport and card. Keep the confirmation email open. Make sure you are on reliable Wi-Fi for the next step, because downloading a profile over cellular can fail or waste data. You'll install the eSIM by scanning the provider QR code or entering the SMDP Plus activation code. This is the secure method carriers use, and it ties the plan to your device. Once the profile downloads, go to Settings, add Cellular Plan, and label it so you can recognize it later. Then assign data and voice roles. Make eSIM your data line if you want local rates. If you don't see it, toggle airplane mode and try again to prompt the OS. You finish by confirming connectivity. Open a browser, send an SMS if included, and check APN settings. Some carriers require manual APN entry to route data correctly. Once confirmed, set data roaming on and monitor usage in settings to avoid surprises. If things go wrong, reboot first. If the profile fails to register, remove and re-add it, and then contact support with your order ID and device model. This speeds resolution because providers can check provisioning from their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.